Deep within the endless Nevada desert lies a place so secretive, so heavily guarded, that for decades, the world has speculated about what really happens there. This is Area 51. Officially, the government insists it's just a military testing base. But countless eyewitnesses, leaked files, and strange sightings suggest the truth may be far stranger. Fighter jets roar across the desert skies, testing experimental aircraft that the public won't see for decades. Some say these aren't ordinary jets, but prototypes powered by technology not of this earth. Locked away in vaults, stamped top secret, are documents the government refuses to release. Documents that may hold answers to questions humanity has been asking for centuries. Radar operators have reported strange signals, objects appearing and vanishing in an instant, moving faster than any known aircraft. The question remains, were they human or something else? Inside hidden labs, far below ground, scientists work under strict secrecy. Rumors suggest they study advanced propulsion systems, recovered spacecraft, and perhaps even biological entities. In the dead of night, strange lights hover over the desert floor. Witnesses swear they've seen saucer-shaped craft glowing silently before vanishing without a trace. Mysterious symbols, encrypted codes, flashing across secret computer screens. Are they the language of another species, or messages meant to mislead the public? Some believe the advanced aircraft of today, stealth bombers, spy planes, were reverse-engineered from wreckage recovered decades ago. Could modern technology be built on alien foundations? Armed guards patrol the fences. Warning signs threaten deadly force. The message is clear. No one is allowed inside. Trespass, and you may never be seen again. Decades-old newspapers whisper of UFO sightings. Locals recall glowing discs, fiery streaks across the sky, all traced back to this single forbidden patch of desert. Inside, glowing green substances are rumored to be kept in glass chambers. Could these be fuels, experiments, or something alive? Even satellites scanning the region reveal strange anomalies. Entire sections blurred out, hidden from public view. Why hide empty desert? Unless there's something extraordinary beneath it? Whispers suggest scientists have studied fragments of metals, harder and lighter than anything on Earth. Their origin? Unknown. Their purpose? Classified. Beneath the sands, tunnels stretch for miles. Some claim entire underground cities exist, designed to hide whatever truths must never be revealed. Whistleblowers risk their lives to claim alien technology is real, and it's being tested right now inside Area 51. Night vision cameras capture glowing orbs and darting lights. Movements so fast, so unnatural, they defy every known law of physics. And yet, files disappear. Evidence destroyed before the public can see the truth. As if someone or something doesn't want us to know. Behind closed hangars, futuristic aircraft emerge. Sleek designs, decades ahead of current aviation. Where did this technology come from? Some whisper of beings not entirely human, kept under observation, hidden from the world, waiting in silence. The world demands answers. Protests rise. People want the truth. But from the government, there is only silence. On maps, it's just Nevada. But in reality, it's a place where secrets are buried and the unknown waits in the shadows. So, what do you believe? Is Area 51 hiding alien life, advanced technology, or something even darker than we can imagine? Share your theory, because the truth may be closer than we think.